How to turn off age restriction on Twitter or X account. Let's jump right into the steps. First, you want to go ahead and open Twitter app on your phone. You have to note one thing, that there is no settings of age restriction when you open Twitter app. What you need to do is open any of the browser and open twitter.com. Log into it. Now you want to tap on profile, that is on the top left corner. Do not tap on open or else you will not be able to do this following process. In the bottom you can see settings and support, tap on it. After that you need to scroll down a little bit and then tap on settings and privacy. As you do that, you want to tap on privacy and safety next. Here tap on content you see. On the very top you can see display media that contains sensitive content. When you check the box, you will be able to see the sensitive content on Twitter, or else you will not be able to see them. And that is how you can turn off age restriction on Twitter. I really hope this video helped you out. Thank you so much for watching till the very end.